Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report from Marvin in Arizona. It's a scorcher out there, I bet, this summer. Marvin, we got it ready to go. You had a note in here said you'll possibly want to run an amp with this, that you'd like the low dig key of at least around 3 watts if possible. We've made that happen for you, done a little better actually. Tune alignment, ultra bright white LED upgrades, that's in my custom order section. Unlock clarifier mod, that's in the custom order section. And I'm guessing you must have a 5-pin Cobra mic because you ordered one of our newest adapters, which is for a 5-pin Cobra microphone to work on a 4-pin Cobra or Galaxy Ranger type radio. Okay, Marvin, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Right there, you are at 1 watt, a hair over a watt. So it's going to turn down plenty for you. And got you at 14 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 45, 46 bird. What's that mean on the 100 watt scale? PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio. 91 watts, Marvin. It's going to be clean and mean for you. I'll go ahead and show you a sideband because I know you're going to work some sideband. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. About 85 on sideband all the way up. Roll it down. Hello, 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 hello. About 30 all the way down. That way, if you don't want to overdrive your amp, you'll have that adjustability. Everything's taken care of. We're going to get this out to you as well as your adapter. Thank you, Marvin. Hey, and if you think about it, hop on to Google, leave me a 5-star review. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.